Okay, this video is being done by Kilo Quebec 4 Zulu India Papa. The video is going to be on the questions for the amateur extra class. This video will cover sub-element Echo 1 commission rules. Section Echo 1 Alpha will include questions about frequency privileges, signal frequency range, automatic message forwarding, stations aboard ships or aircraft, power restriction on 630 and 2200 meter bands. This sub-element Echo 1 Alpha 01 question: why is it not legal to transmit a 3 kilohertz bandwidth USB signal with a carrier frequency of 14.384 megahertz? And the answer is the upper 1 kilohertz of the signal is outside the 20 meter band. Question Echo 1 Alpha 02. When using a transceiver that displays the carrier frequency of phone signals, which of the following displayed frequencies represents the lowest frequency at which a properly adjusted lower sideband emission will be totally within the band? And the answer is 3 kilohertz above the lower band edge. Question Echo 1 Alpha 03. What is the highest legal carrier frequency on the 20 meter band for transmitting a 2.8 kilohertz wide upper sideband data signal? And the answer is 14.1472 megahertz. Question Echo 1 Alpha 04. May an extra class operator answer the CQ of a station on 3.601 megahertz lower sideband phone? No, the sideband components will extend beyond the edge of the phone band segment. Echo 1 Alpha 05. Who must be in physical control of the station apparatus of an amateur station aboard any vessel or craft that is documented or registered in the United States? Any person holding an FCC-issued amateur license or who is authorized for alien reciprocal operation. Echo 1 Alpha 06. What is the required transmission frequency of a CW signal for channelized 60 meter operation at the center frequency of the channel? What is the maximum power permitted on the 2200 meter band? 1 watt EIRP, equivalent isotropic radiated power. Echo 1 Alpha 08. If a station in a message forwarding system inadvertently forwards a message that is in violation of FCC rules, who is primarily accountable for the rules violation? The control operator of the originating station. except in some parts of Alaska, what is the maximum power permitted on the 630-meter band? 5 watts. EIRP, equivalent isotropic radiated power. If any amateur station is installed aboard a ship or aircraft, what condition must be met before the station is operating? Its operation must be approved by the master of the ship or the pilot in command of the aircraft. Question: Echo 1 Alpha 11. What licensing is required when operating an amateur station aboard a U.S. registered vessel in international waters? An EFCC issued amateur license.